Hello students, today we will go through with, in the today's session we will go through with second program, that is addition of two numbers regarding PLSQL. So the procedure is how to open the PLSQL. Just you double click on this SQL prompt. So the PLSQL prompt will be displayed on the screen. So in front of that, so first we must connect it by typing CONNECT, connect. So then you enter the username as system and password as BCA. Okay, so then press enter. So you'll be getting a message called connected. Then the cursor will be promoted to SQL prompt. Okay, so in front of SQL prompt, now start typing the program with the PLSQL block. Okay, so declare so variable a as integer, semicolon, next b as integer, then we are storing the result of two numbers in res variable, and this variable is declared with the data type called as integer. Then terminate this line with semicolon. So after that we must type begin. So then press enter. So here, so we will write a colon equal to ampersand a. So then b colon equal to ampersand b. So put semicolon to terminate this line. After that, result colon equal to a plus b semicolon. So then here we must write dbms underscore output dot put line, put underscore line. So within that res, then close the parenthesis, semicolon, then so we must end the begin, end semicolon, then backslash. So here enter value for a value 5, then enter b value as 8. So what will be the result? 8 plus 5, the result should be 13. So see, here we have got the PLSQL procedure successfully completed, but it is not displaying the output. What we must do? So we must do set server output on. Set server output on. So after that, just you put backslash. So we will be getting the result. We will be getting, once again we must enter the value 5, then 8, then 5 plus 8, it is 13. So this is the when the program is correctly executed, then we will be getting the result, and we will be getting the message as PLSQL procedure successfully completed. So this is the procedure how to run PLSQL program for addition of two numbers. Okay, thank you.